Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a cleaning video. This is my bathroom. This is under the sink. It is insane. So I thought I'd take you guys through me reorganizing and decluttering and also my shower. So we're going to be doing that today. The first thing I'm doing is just going through the bins and picking out what needs to be kept and what needs to be thrown away or given away or donated, whatever I can do to get these products out of here. So I'm just going to be doing that first. So here I'm just showing the bin of all the stuff that I don't need anymore, and then I'm going to be cleaning it up. I'm just wiping it out with a more natural cleaning, and here it is done. And now we're going to be moving on to what I got to organize. So I picked these up from Bed Bath & Beyond in Canada. I think they also have them in the States. I got them on sale, so I thought I'd pick up 2 of them. They stack, which is really nice, and I got them in the white color. So we're just going to be opening them up and putting them together. Not that you really have to put them together. I basically just put the little legs or the foot caps on the feet, and that was basically it, and then you just stack them and they're ready to go. So I saw in the reviews that those tended to slip and slide around in the cabinet, so I decided to pick up some shelf liner from Dollarama. It was $1.75 for the roll, and I was able to do both sides and have a little bit of extra. And then I'm just placing these in here, and what I love about these is the bins actually pull out. So I'm just going to be putting back my soaps. You know how it goes, 10 for 30 at Bath & Body Works, so I have a bunch, and we're just going to be sticking those in one side. The other side, I just put my extra skincare stuff from the Body Shop and then my pedicure stuff, and then I was going to do the top, but then I realized I had a few extra soaps that I didn't see, so I just stuck them in there. And then when I went to do the top, I decided that the back row is going to be my hair care stuff because I don't use it as much. The middle row, I just did like miscellaneous bath products and then a couple of soaps that had their pumps pulled out that I just didn't want to put back in. And then the very front, I'm just going to be putting all of my sun care stuff because it's so important. All my SPF, I have my After Sun, my tanner, all of that good stuff. I keep it at the front because they do have an expiration and I want to make sure that I know that I have it once summer hits. And then the other side, we are going to just put all of the extra shower stuff. So this is all the stuff in my shower. We're going to be condensing it into nice clear glass bottles, and it's just going to make it look super nice. And when we're done, we're going to put the excess back into the other side of the cabinet. So here's the glass bottles I picked up. They're from Amazon, and I just went ahead and made labels with my Cricut that I liked, and we're going to be applying those first, and then we're going to fill the bottles up with the product and we'll put them in the shower. This process actually took like 10 minutes per bottle. It took so long to get the Cricut labels to stick to the glass. I think it was just because my transfer tape was fresh and just really sticky. So by the last bottle, the transfer tape wasn't as sticky and it transferred pretty well, but I sped it up for you guys because it was actually painful how long this took. I also didn't show me putting the conditioner into the bottle because it was so difficult, but I did find a tip online, and that is to transfer the conditioner into a Ziploc bag and then cut the corner and just squeeze it out of the small cut in the corner. It's so much easier than trying to get it from the shampoo bottle into the tiny little neck of the bottle. So that is a tip if you guys are planning on doing this style of bottle. Just make sure you use the Ziploc bag instead. And here's how the shower turned out. I really liked how this looked. The shampoo label came out a little bit wonky, but it's not that noticeable. And it's just so much more clutter-free in my shower. It's not as distracting visually. And that is the video. I hope you guys enjoy. If you guys want more spring cleaning videos, just let me know and I will film them for you. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below. I love responding to your comments, and I'll see you in the next video.